Welcome back to my channel. Unspoken Word Inside. Unspoken Insight. Is it the first time that you are seeing this video? Please kindly hit the notification button to give you more weekly updates. As you do so, God bless you. Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss or review some AI automatic tools. I come back again. Tools or automation tools. AI automation tools. Yes, we all know that AI is now changing the world. Changing the world is now popular everywhere, all over the world. In Russia, in China, in India, in US, and all the 7 continents of the world, they are now involved in AI. Yes, they are not using AI. What is AI is all about? This is the word AI. Artificial intelligence. Yes, artificial intelligence. Anything that you don't understand, just ask AI, prompt it. If you just analyze it in a seconds, it's not within a seconds, everything just analyze it. Yes, that is the word of AI. Alright, please. This is the first time that you are seeing this video. Just focus as you do so. God bless you. Alright, I'll continue our discussion. Today is AI automation tools. What is AI automation tools? AI automation tools is AI turns automatically doing the work that you don't understand. Just type it, automatically bring it out, analyze it out in a simple way that you will understand. In a simple way that you will understand in an easy way. So, this one is I don't know how to do this, how to make money. Just write it, just as AI automation tools. We just analyze it. Everything will just come out. Are you foreign trade this app? You can use it. Yes, the main AI automation tools, number one that we will be reviewing here is Zapier. Yes, it's a connection app. Email or WhatsApp automatically task without coding. That is the word, automatically task without coding. This is the app, you can see it here. Yes, this is the app that I'm talking about, as you can see it. And also, number 2 of this app is Made. Made is more visual powerful than Zapier. Great for a compressor workflow. That is the compressors workflow. And number 3 of it is N8N. Yes, it's free and feasible. It's free and feasible, popular for AI automation combo. That is the word. It's free. It's free and feasible. You can see it now. It's free and feasible. Alright. Next time we meet, shall continue our next discussion. What we're reviewing here is AI powerful automation star flow. Thanks for watching. This is the first time that you are seeing this video. Please kindly hit the notification button. Yes, you can hit the notification button, share, comment and like. As you do so, God bless you. nice day.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.